Good morning. It is 10 to 7. I'm up, I'm out of bed, coffee on the go. We're gonna get supper on the go before we finish getting ready for work to head out for the day. So we're gonna get the pulled pork going. We're using that pulled pork spice mix that we made. All right, so let's get you into the crock pot. Okay, can you see in there? Yep, all right. It's way too early in the morning to even be thinking about this stuff, let me tell you. All right, so we got, I know you should be using about a 4-pound pork roast. We have it's probably about 2 pounds. Going into the slow cooker, well, the instant pot, sorry. People get so mad over that if you say it wrong. I don't have any more. Like I said, that light I can use. All right, we're gonna sprinkle the seasoning over top. And you know what I realized I forgot? Give me 1 second. I meant to add a tablespoon of cornstarch to this, just to help thicken that sauce up. That will cook in there as the day goes. Now I have a bottle of barbecue sauce that we got on clearance. Some nice hickory. So I don't need to add that liquid smoke that I was going to. We're gonna pour that whole thing in there. And then we are going to put some water in the bottle and shake it up. Okay. Because we need about a cup of water in there anyway, so that should be good. Let's find a fork so we can just kind of do some of that. Get some of that stirred up a bit. Now I'm just going to put this on the, there's like a midsection. I just put mine on that for the day. So it's kind of high, but not high. And we just let it cook all day. Doesn't help that the roast is still frozen solid. All right, I'm gonna pop lid on it. I'm gonna turn it on and we'll be back. Okay. Oh, the sauce thickened up nicely. I wasn't sure how that was gonna go with just the 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Okay. Okay, here's me thinking that bowl was gonna be big enough. We want to remove the bones, remove the skin, remove the fat. Oh, it's coming off in one big thing. Okay. Get it all shredded up. Back into the pot with all of the delicious sauce. Okay, right back. Okay, we're gonna try that again. I got the bone out. We're just gonna shred it up. And then back into the sauce, which thickened up very, very nicely with 1 tablespoon of the cornstarch. And what is that? Oh, what is that? Oh, it's just pork, okay. We are serving this over rice. Talking and doing this at the same time. It's not working in my favor today. Okay. Okay. Oh, you were still filming. Oh, I thought I turned you off. Okay. I guess not. Okay, we are all shredded up. We're gonna go back into the pot to get everybody coated in that sauce. How does it look? Can you, oh, wrong hand, okay. Oh. Beautiful. Give it a taste. Yes. Okay, how to get a taste test. Now we're just gonna put this over a bed of rice. And, oh, we still have to figure out a vegetable. We don't have a vegetable. We'll figure out a vegetable. Maybe cucumber. I think we have cucumber in the fridge that needs to be used. There we go. There's dinner. We're gonna go eat. Oh, I have you guys on such a weird angle. Hang on. Let me move you for a second. This looks really good. Right? Yes. Okay, but now we actually are gonna go eat.